Hi guys, this is Jerry. Today we are having a look at this 2022 MG ZST Excite. This is the 1.3 litre turbocharged petrol engine train. This is the second highest spec for the ZST in New Zealand and Australian market. And this particular vehicle is finished in Brighton Blue. Unfortunately we're in the shade, so this doesn't have the reflection of it should do in human eyes. It is a very nice bright blue color. As standard, we have a 17-inch alloys. That's machined two-tone finish, black and silver, and you also get the red caliper. We also get Michelin tires for New Zealand and Australian spec. So as standard, we also get this black trim piece. So all the turbocharged ones in New Zealand get that, and black windmill cover. At the front we have a full LED light with daytime running, plus auto headlights and auto high beam assist. At the bottom we have a halogen light for the fog lights, and glossy black cover and glossy black spoiler at the front. The ZST is becoming one of the most popular MG vehicles in New Zealand and Australia at the moment, just because it's overall size and everything. Let's have a look at the back. So open the tailgate by pressing the logo on top. We have just over 350 liters space at the back, so tons of space. This is a lower level. You are able to adjust to a higher level if you need to. Open that cover, you can find space tire and jack and tools. So good amount of space, very deep down as well. Down, fuel tank on the right hand side. This is the interior. We do have full leather trim. This is synthetic leather, so not genuine leather by the way. And ISOFIX point at the back with tethering points behind the seats. This vehicle has optioned the rubber floor mats, nice and fit. And we do have two USB charging points at the front. Let's have a look at the front. This is pretty much the traditional design for MG ZS and ZST. And kiddie century, kiddie start for all the ZST trim. This is how it looks like. We have again full leather seats at the front. On the Excite we have manual adjustment. If you do want to electric adjustment, you can only get it on the Essence model. Again, this is how the rubber floor mats looks like. Nice and fit. This vehicle has also optioned the 35% window tint. Away. MG steering. Right. So all the colors will get red stitchings inside the cabin and soft touch. So there's again synthetic leather look at the front. We do have also a 10-inch display with 360 camera. That allows you to see what's around you as standard on all the MG ZST in New Zealand, plus inbuilt navigation on this vehicle, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this vehicle as well. Again, Bluetooth will be standard. In the center we have a small digital dash at the front with the traditional analog on each end. That allows you to see all sorts of information at the front. That helps you with your daily drive, assistant graphic, all that things. And this vehicle is fully optioned with MG Pilot, the driving assistance, with adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane departure warning, lane keep assist. So everything will be in this menu. And if you're interested to see my in-depth review and in-depth walk around for the vehicle, I have another video. I'll leave the link down in the description. And if you're looking to purchase one of these in New Zealand, we are Abit Bukoe or Abit MG East Auckland in the future. So contact me. My name is Jerry. I'll leave my email address down below. It's jerry@abit.co.nz. In the center, we also have a gear selector. Go straight forward and backwards, handbrake and auto hold, parking brake. So yeah, everything's nice layout and very easy car to love. And you get good amount of space, good amount of room, good amount of power, and good fuel consumption. And this one at the moment is retail at $31,990 for New Zealand market. Again, if you're interested in the vehicle, please contact us at Abbott Pukekohe for the MG dealership or Abbott MG East Auckland in the near future. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.